So in this video, we're going to show you how you can access results after you've ran a session with your students. So within the software, there's a way to access the results, but you can also access it from this utility down at the bottom. You'll see you have this results and reports option. I can bring that reporting wizard up and I can choose to browse for any file that I might have. So I can choose an actual QRX file and open that and then generate reports from within that. That will do the same thing if I simply double click on the file. So if I have the file stored somewhere already, I can just double click on the file and it will launch that reporting wizard as well. So if you just want to organize your results files in some folder, you can quickly access them. And from there, I can generate a number of different reports. You could take a look at the answer report for this particular activity. And here I can view how my students performed, how many of them fell within the 70 to 79 range, the 90-100% range. I can view performance for each individual student. I can see what they got right or wrong throughout the whole activity. This was actually a 40-question pre-test that we were using to determine how well the students understood the knowledge prior to starting that particular topic. We might access different reports in here. If we want to see what that looked like with the questions, I might choose the question answer summary report. And in this particular case, it's going to show me the actual question and how they performed. And this particular report you can drill in on. I can actually view the data so I can see specifically how students performed, what they got right or wrong. I could change the view of the chart if I wanted to view how the students have performed in a different manner. But again, I can drill down and see the exact questions. Okay, here's one where half the class missed that. That would obviously help me determine that we had a problem with that particular topic. So different reporting options as well. You can export the data to CSV. So if you want to bring these results into a third-party application, you can export the data out from there as well.